Other drug guys, like, these guys here, they don't get that shit.
No, they're
All you
idiots.
gotta do is be a fucking human being with people. And fucking,
Yeah, money talks, man. I was lumping for a couple of years. Over in Hunts Point.
a lump of a right handler, stevedore,
Huh?
stevedore.
No, I used to take the pallets on and off. The trucks.
Yeah, it's called stevedore. You're a loader. Shipping or
Lumper.
receiving.
Lumper. Guys used to give me 100, 150.
Yeah, we don't care. We just want to get it out. We don't give a- We're not paying for it. You know what I mean?
Well,
It doesn't matter to us. Whatever you want. As long as you can do what you say you're gonna do when you say you're gonna do it. As long as you get me in and out of there, I can fuck out. How much take my money.
what's up? Yeah, I mean, yeah, the drivers don't pay for it. They get a.
No, and then we get a percentage of that.